Changing the shooting mode is pretty simple. You simply press on the lower right the record button and hold it for 3 seconds. And once it's done, you get a notification in red on the top bar that it changed from either photo to video or video to photo. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any future videos. If you have any questions about any IB optic products, just let us know in the comment section. For more information about the SmartFinder Pro, make sure to check out the link in the description, or you can check out all the other videos in our SmartFinder Pro playlist, which you can find right here. That's it for today. See you next time. Servus.